He was one of the reasons the Steelers finished the 2016 season on that 7-game hot streak. The defense ranking in the top 5 of all the categories you see right here, including #1 in sacks during that stretch. So, Baldy, the Steeler defense, we know where they were at last year, but do they pick up where they left off in 2017?
Well, the season ended with their nemesis, the New England Patriots. So that's, what they're always shooting for to get through them. But if you look at the defense, they had a good season last year. They ended the season 10th. But they're going to lose Lawrence Timmons, who has been a 10-year starter. You talk about durability and versatility. This guy has been a playmaker for them. He was in the playoffs against the Dolphins last year. He's now playing for the Dolphins. So they've got a replacement. Now, Vince Williams will be the replacement, and he has started in this league. He started for Ryan Shazier last year when he was out. So we'll see what kind of player Vince Williams is on an everyday basis. And then, look, James Harrison is the Iron Man. He's 39 years old. He led the team in sacks last year. He can't go on forever. That's why they drafted T.J. Watt. And we'll see how quickly T.J. Watt can kind of man that outside position opposite Bud Dupree, who looks like he's a real star, going to be a star in this league. And so, the Steelers have had this situation before where you got to replace great players, great Steeler linebackers. And that's where I think where they're at right now.
Did you see James Harrison playing medicine ball volleyball? I think he might be able to play forever, but Sean, what do you think? Did the Steelers pick up where they left off?
Yeah, James got that old man strength. Listen, Lawrence Timmons, those are big shoes to fill. And I think Ryan Shazier, when he is available, his ability makes him one of the best. I mean, he plays with reckless abandon. The reason why he's missing games is because he has no regard for his body. I mean, when you turn on the film, Shazier is flying all over the place. He's throwing himself at people, and he's a little bit lighter, too. And so that's why he's kind of feeling the pain of some of those tackles. But I look at this defense, and without Lawrence Timmons, I thought he was the hammer. Right? And then now Shazier was the nail. But now, all of a sudden, it's got to be Bud Dupree. So Bud Dupree's got to step up. Now, Bud Dupree, he came on strong in the second half of the season. You showed the stats. To me, the thing that jumped out at me was they were #1 in sacks.
Well, he got healthy in the second half after that.
Bud Dupree came back after that surgery. He had 4.5 sacks. That was huge. And for me, getting after the quarterback, that's always what Keith Butler wants to do. And I played with Keith Butler when I was in Cleveland. And the Dick LeBeau defenses, he's still running those cross dogs. Kept Baldy and I awake at night with the different stunts and blitzes you have to protect. So this defense, if they can get after the quarterback, it makes those corners, it makes the safeties, it makes their job easier. But they've got to do a great job up front. I think Bud Dupree's a big factor in it. And then also getting Cam Hayward back, who had the pec injury last year, that will be huge for them.
Yeah, the back half of the season, the Steelers strong to quite strong. Looking to get back to those days of the Steel Curtain.